Easy curve. Let's say it's like x minus 3, x squared minus 6x. Like this, and I want the area between x equals 1 and x equals 2. And the function is f of x. You would do the integral between 1 and 2 of f of x dx.
Sure.
So you'd write it as 2x squared minus 6x plus 11 dx, not forgetting the dx. You do the integral, which would be x squared would give you
X up 3 over 3.
okay, minus 6x squared over 2 is 3x squared plus 11x. Because this is a Braden's gone definite integral, there's no c, and you write these are called the limits or the bounds.
Sure.
They're like that. These have to be square brackets. This is like the notation.
Sure.
Then you put the bigger number in first. 2 cubed over 3 minus 3 times 2 squared plus 11 times 2. Then you subtract, putting the smaller number in. And whatever that gives you is the area. Is that alright?
Yeah. So I'll just need to do it twice for 2 different domains. Then
Okay.
just add it.
Yep.
Sure.
And you have to be careful, they have to be above the x-axis.
Yeah.
Yep. And are your functions...
Wait, so one of mine, the second half of mine, the logarithmic function, goes under the x-axis before my last data point.
So if the area looked like this in green, that's green, that's red, and I'm going to say it's going between A, B, and C. You'd have to do the area between A and B of f of x, that's above the curve, plus the absolute value of the area between B and C. So is it relevant? Is that bit underneath the curve relevant?
No, because
Can't
you
happen.
can't have negative drug concentrations, it's just 0.
So you'd have to say in your write-up that because it goes under, that's where you say that the drug content is 0.
Okay.
So with your piecewise function or whatever it is, you might even say if x is greater than b, then the function's value is 0. If you know what I mean.
So I don't do the part under?
No. If you did, it would show per understanding.
Or should I do it and then just say we don't think
Yeah, you could do it, and you could say, well, this is irrelevant because, and state why, and that's good for your criterion D.
about it, right?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay.
Okay, Swag, send that to me, please.